Hello everyone, thanks again for tuning in to another video where we talk about Forex trading using the Pocket Option Broker. If there's any newbies out there and you're new to the channel, subscribe, leave a comment, check out the ebooks for additional help, and let's get into it. Also, too, I always appreciate the great feedback. That lets me know that you're continuing to enjoy my videos that I upload every single day. So today, what are we going to be talking about? I'm going to be, first of all, giving out some extra tips. And since we're heading into the weekend and it's Friday, we're going to talk about the best 15-second strategy that you can use in the OTC market when you're trading on the weekend on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, first off, let's talk about doing the 5-second strategy. Make sure that you have all of your indicators on the screen. And I'm just basically just showing you that if you're going to do this on one screen, make sure you have your zigzag on when you're trying to catch that pullback. And you can use an RSI or you can put a stochastic on there as well. The default settings for the Kelkner channel is 20, 10, and 2. Okay, many people are talking about, what double wick green are you talking about? This is a double wick candle. Okay, obviously candles that have double wicks on them. The setup that we're talking about, let's see if we can find one. Okay. The thought process is if you pull back price and you look at it and you can see how it goes up, sideways, down, a little sideways, up, down, a little sideways. The double wick green is based on trying to get in that position when the candles are going sideways. Okay? Oftentimes you'll see a double wick green that will interrupt a downtrend, as you can see this right here. Pop into that bad boy right there at the top for 1 minute, boom, you're done. Okay, that's a double wick green. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, same thing here. It's kind of wicky, but still, you have a downtrend, that double wick green interrupted, boom, you get on that red right there. Okay, that's when price is going down, and then you also can find a double wick green a lot of times when price is going sideways. Okay, there's one. So at the end, still kind of went sideways and then it went down. And here's one. Price is going sideways. So these are your double wick greens that you're kind of looking for. Okay, also too, many people were a little bit confused on this. And how do you get that timer on there? Go up here to the candles. And it says right here in the settings, enable timer. You can turn it off, see it's gone, and then you can turn it back on. Okay, so that's how you get your timer on there so you can perfect your entry and know how much is left on that candle. Look at that double wick green. Look at that double wick green. Had to say it, but that's how you can perfect your entry. So just make sure you understand your settings. Okay, so for this strategy, we are going to be using 15 seconds. Okay, that's our expiration time, and we're going to be changing our candles in here to 30 seconds. All right, we are going to use the indicator Awesome Oscillator. It's a very powerful indicator too, if I might add. Look at the settings. We're going to use the default settings. Period short is for 5. Period long is for 34. Okay. And the styles for the momentum that's going up is green, and then down for red. You can change these colors to whatever you want. Obviously, you have a list of colors, do it based on whatever your preference may be. So the way the strategy works is that you are looking to get in for 15 seconds when you start to see the momentum getting weaker in areas like this. Okay? So as you can see, and just kind of line it up with your cursor, the momentum is getting weaker, so you would go in for a buy. And if they're green, you're going to be going for a put. Red for buy, green is going to be going down. Let's see how these trades play out. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you get my videos each and every day. Smash that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.